Hello my dear friends. Today we will see the who can care of our machine on lockdown period. This machine is a EcoSolvent machine TX5 head. This is a close from 1 month ago. Firstly, we will enter the shop or office. You will be first choice of on your AC and temperature maintain on your room. I am start the AC. Before start the AC, you will be stay within 40 or 30 minutes. Or AC is a high temperature AC, you will be 10 minutes. Then your uh, machine PC is on. This is a procedure of EcoSolvent machine. Properly start and close. Then open all covers of EcoSolvent machine. You will see all parts are okay. Then you will be second step of machine. You will be backside. This is a color CMYK color. You will be stop working before 1 month. There will be all color is a stay on the color. Before you start the machine, please check your all colors. After you will be check all ink pipes are okay. Yes, my machine ink pad is also okay. All ink pipes is okay. There is no overflow or solvent. You will be start a then your machine is start analyzing. You will be see ink pad is okay. Then your machine is analyze anti-analyzing. This is proper anti-analyzing, ready to stay. Then you will be on your PC and connect your machine for machine software. Then connecting your machine. That's right. Machine will be connected. After we work, enter your machine manual settings menu. startup, maintenance, enter, nozzle test. Before print, we will be start on nozzle test. That's fine. Maintenance nozzle test. Then machine will be print nozzle test. This is a nozzle test, not properly. Then you will be maintenance menu. Maintenance menu after second option you will be clean nozzle, then enter. Machine is automatically clean the nozzle. This is a proper technique of machine the nozzle, clean the nozzle. This is automatically clean your nozzle. You will be see a wastage ink pad pipe. Machine is on, then you will be check properly. Yes, this is okay. You will be seen after nozzle check, then you will be carriage move out the right side, left side properly. Then you will be take a solvent, and this solvent is put the pad section properly. Your ink pad is a dust. This is clear for solvent. You will be then move the head position. Then you will be maintenance setting manual pump. This is a start your manual pumping. Then you will be check waste ink pad. Ink is properly down on your waste ink bottle. You will be see all ink is overflow. This is the correct method. After 2 or 3 minutes, you will be manually stop your machine. Then after next step is clear your nozzle. Machine will be start a nozzle cleaning. Nozzle clean is properly clean. Then you will be after nozzle cleaning, you will be nozzle test. Machine is After process we will be see difference first nozzle test and second nozzle test. This is the correct method. Then you will be turn on computer. We will see one print of eco solvent. Ink will be working on print. Then machine is ready to your job. This is the job. We will print. Your setting is properly connected on your machine. Then you will be okay. After okay, your machine is working, is ready to print. Machine is working properly. You will be see all color bar is okay. Thanks guys. Friends, we will see what is the result of my machine. This is a properly print on flex material. You will see this is the correct position for my machine. That's fine. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share. We will